It lifts up from the sea, H2O, the wondrous work of evaporation. H2O then becomes an invisible prisoner, traveling inside the translucent white, puffy lily pads across the blue sky, contained and held beyond its will until the unsettling of Mother Nature releases her emotional pressure. At times she is angry and strong. She exposes her strength by throwing bolts of lightning, slicing the clouds in half, then slams the clouds back together to shake the sky with a thunderous ruckus. She is powerful, unstoppable, very frightening. She commands the clouds to be wrung out. She soaks the earth below with H2O. Other times she is docile and cool and creative, perhaps even sad. She becomes blue and bitterly cold. She releases a calming storm, blanketing the land with frozen H2O. The heavy clouds release the frozen droplets. They begin falling fast to the ground below, falling, falling, falling. Suddenly, the droplets morphed, popping into spectacular crystallized forms, reflecting themselves like stars. The fingerprint of snowflakes, beautifully and elegantly designed, their delicate shape unnoticeable to the naked eye. Their beings are weightless, light as a feather, and yet gravity pulls them down slowly, gracefully gliding downwards to earth, where they each face death after some time. No two snowflakes are alike, their individualism proving their short span of life. Short, but adventurous and full of purpose, as trillions and trillions of snowflakes pile up on each other, packed tightly together, forming into hills of snowbanks and drifts, evenly laying heavily on trees, weighing down on their branches. Snow is perfectly aligned on each branch, thin and wide. The snow canvassing the grids with its whiteness, warping the scenery of dying greens and browns into one solid color. It hides the ugliness of the dead colors from spring and summer. A chorus of birds vibrate through the stillness of the sky. The sky's color loses its blueness. Everything looks white and blindingly so, quite beautifully. Actually, the sun's rays break through the barrier of white, capturing the snow's shininess. The snow covered the land sparkles like diamond dust, glittery and twinkling. Then the sun fully comes out, pumping off hot energy. It stays out for days. The temperature rises a bit. The earth feels the warmth. Mother Nature is sleeping. All is calm and quiet. The trees stand tall and naked. Perennials are dormant, resting inside their buds, sheltered underground. The brown branches peek through the whiteness. The whiteness dissipates, shrinking in size, morphing into H2O. The earth drinks the H2O, nourishing itself with the nitrogen brought by the snowflakes. The melting snow merges together, forming into many rivers and little lakes, flood the streets and splash against curbs. Moving traffic causes tidal waves. Shoes are wet. Deep puddles soak feet and socks. Trillions of snowflakes are lost down the drain. The sewage gushes through pipes lined under towns and cities, which dumps into flowing rivers and creeks, that eventually dumps into bigger rivers and creeks. It lifts up from the sea, H2O, the wondrous work of evaporation, the life of a snowflake, resurrection.